Hi everyone, thanks for joining us for our first 2-minute analysis. Today we're going to take a closer look at the results from our first 2-minute comparison. And if you like data as much as we like data, then you're going to love Barbecue this because today we have data and we have meat. Of course, we realized pretty quickly that the 2-minute analysis was pretty much a pipe dream. So let's get into this really quickly and see how long it takes us. And as an added bonus at the end, we're going to take the best from both of these steaks and do a 2-minute pan-sear followed by a low and slow bake because we want the sear results from here and the low and slow results from here. Now, taking a look at the color gradient, we have a distinct difference from the bottom of our hot and fast filet here, where it's medium to well done, to the upper third where it's at its rarest. Also, it's good to know the temperature gradient in the middle half of this filet spans 50 degrees. Now, taking a look at our low and slow filet, aside from the edge, there doesn't appear to be a color gradient at all. In fact, the temperature gradient across the middle half of this filet is only 13 degrees. Comparing these two processes, it is far more likely that you'll be successful in measuring the internal temperature correctly with a single sensor thermometer of a low and slow filet than you might with a hot and fast filet. Okay, now the second thing, the location of the cold spot. The cold spot in our low and slow steak that was baked on a rack is in fact in the middle of the steak, while the cold spot in our hot and fast filet that was baked in the pan it was seared in is located in the upper third of the filet. This shows us leaving the filet in the pan during the baking part of the process resulted in a less uniformly cooked filet. So the main takeaway from this is that the cold spot is not always located in the center of the meat you're cooking. It really depends on the cooking process. Okay, now let's get on with combining the best of both of these steaks into one perfect steak. We're going to pan-sear this one for 2 minutes on both sides, followed by a low and slow rack bake in a 300-degree oven. Alright, it looks like we're done and we've given it a 5-minute rest. Let's take a look. It looks great. We've successfully combined the sear we wanted on the exterior with the perfectly pink interior, and the middle inch of this fillet spanned 15 degrees. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and even more importantly, comment below with questions about what comparisons you would like to see us do. Thanks again.